accounting, financial accounting, same like you have to for GST purpose I'm telling about. I'm talking about GST purpose. How the accounting software, Tally software will be used for the GST purpose. Same like you have to prepare, you have to write down the accounts, right? You have to record the accounts for business transactions, right? And same like you have to create a company, create the ledger accounts, right? Voucher entries. But only one thing you have to do, open the statutory and taxation. The option will be available. Statutory and taxation option will be available. After creating the company, an option is available, statutory and taxation. Alt plus F3 or else Alt plus F1. Over there itself, you will be finding in the menu statutory taxation. It might be a third option or a fourth option, right? If you press on that option, statutory and taxation option, if you press, right, a full screen or all the GST details screen will be appear on the screen, on your screen in front of your box, right? A box will be appear on the name of GST, Goods and Services Tax, right? And in that many details you need to fill, right? What are the details you need to fill? It will ask you first PAN number, it will ask you GST IN number, GST IN number in the sense Goods and Services Tax Identity Number, GST IN number. It is like a registration number. How the firms are registered, how the college is registered, every firm, every business organization must get itself registered in the Act, right? So likewise, GST IN number, Goods and Services Tax Identification number, it will ask you, and it will ask you, do you want to enable VAT? Now, instead of that, GST has been taken place. So, GST is the replacement of the VAT. For VAT, you have to say no, right? And if you want, do you want service tax? It will ask you no, and it will ask you, do you want GST? Yes. Over there, you have to put yes. Automatically by default, at the option of GST, by default, it will show you no, right? But over there, you have to change no into yes, right? And then it will ask you the voucher bill and payment bill and bill of entry. It will ask you everything, bill of entry, bill of laded. That means the goods transferred from one country to another country where you use the bills along with the goods movement, that also you have to produce when you want to GST. Right? So for that also you have to put yes and enter till it accepts. Then it will be saved. Right? All this process is nothing but enabling the GST into your Tally ERP9 accounting software. So this is what? Customization. I mean to say here, in the meaning I gave you, ERP9, Tally ERP9 is one of the customized accounting software used for small and medium business enterprises along with the GST. So how it is useful for the GST, just I gave you a brief introduction, not in detailed introduction. Right? You'll be having the GST also. I think so people are having third year or it might be in the second year. So at that time you can able to enable the GST and also you can enter the transactions, right? Regarding GST, regarding the tax, Goods and Services Tax transactions, same line, again similar, only the thing difference is you are enabling the GST one step ahead, only one step extra you are doing, right? You are recording same like creation of the company, creating the ledger entries, writing the journal entries in accounting vouchers. These are all everything, each and every step is similar, only the thing is you are enabling the GST, that's it. Unless and until you don't enable the GST into your accounting software, it won't accept the tax, what you are recording, taxes, what you are recording, regarding the supply of the goods and services from one state to another state or within the state or from one country to another country. Why? Because once you enable, do you want to enable GST? Over there you have given yes option, no? Once you have given yes option, automatically it itself inbuilt different types of taxes are there. In GST we have SGST, CGST, IGST, UTGST, right? All these types of GSTs will be activated. Right? So that whatever the transactions you are going to record, for example, intra-state sale is there, within the state sale, right? Then what type of tax is applicable to that type of sale? That is automatically activated. If you give yes for goods and services tax, that is what inbuilt customization is possible in ERP 9, right? Accounting software. That is why it is most popular, most easiest way, most comfortable way, and most convenient manner you can enter the transactions, right? Without using manual record. And not only that,